Using a TikTok QR code allows for quick and easy sharing of your profile or content with others. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Select My QR Code. You will then see your QR code displayed here. You can share it in two ways, either by tapping the copy link button to paste it anywhere, or by tapping the share link button to send it directly through your preferred social media app from the list. To scan someone else's QR code, tap the QR code scanner icon in the top right corner. Now point your camera at the QR code to scan it. You will then be redirected to the person's profile. So in this way, you can use QR code on TikTok.